Hello, how are you today? Today we will talk about a very important lesson in the English language. This lesson will talks about the simple past. The simple past, the tense that we use to talk about an actions that happened to us in the past. Okay, in this lesson we will need some material. These materials are an article or a story. We will use a story in this lesson. This story contains uh, a family story in the 18th century. This story will tell us about some actions that happened to this family in the past. We will notice the verbs in this story and we will be able to notice the simple past and the other tenses in the story. Okay, let's begin. Okay, now as a lesson objectives, I will need you to categorize the simple past. And I need you to know the using of the simple past in the English language and when and why we will use the simple past in the English language. And in the next step, I need you to differentiate between the simple past and the other tenses in the English language. Okay, now I will give you the line of the story that we have read. This story will show you some sentences that talks about this family and the actions that happen to them. Okay, the first sentence is told us about the father. The sentence is the father went to England. The father went to England. Okay, let's find the verb in this sentence. Let's find the verb. The father went to England. The father is a subject. Okay, the father is the subject. What is the verb? The verb is went. Went. What kind of verbs? I didn't heard that verb before. Maybe you will say that. This verb is the past of go verb. Of course, every one of us knows the verb go. Okay. How I can say I go in the past? I go in the past. I didn't, I can't use ed to make this verb a past verb. Why? Because it is irregular verb. Okay? Because it is irregular verb. How we can make a past from go verb? Okay, the past verb of go verb is went. Okay, when we use go for the past, we use went instead of go. Okay, I go or went. Okay, the father went to England. The father is a character in the story that we have read before. Okay, the father went to England. We noticed the past verb went. Okay, we noticed the past verb went. Okay, though. So the structure of the past simple tense is we have a subject in the first, we have a past verb in the middle, and we have an objective or the rest of the sentence at the end of the sentence. Okay, now we will read another sentence in the story. The sentence is the mother didn't go to England with the father. The mother didn't go to England with the father. Okay, what we can notice from this sentence? This sentence is a negative sentence. We have did not. Okay, we have did not in the sentence. Okay, now we will learn how to make negative in the past tense. In the past tense, we should add did not. We should add did not before the verb. Okay, but we cannot make the verb in the past. Okay, when we have did or did not, the verb will be a first verb. Okay, will be the first verb. We can't change the structure of the verb. Okay, the mother didn't go. I can't say didn't went. That is false, of course, in the English. Okay, didn't go. So the structure of the negative is subject plus did not plus the first verb. Okay, the first plus the first verb and the complement of the sentence. Okay. Okay, we will discuss the question in the next lesson or in the next grammar lesson. Okay, now I need you to notice the sentences that we have heard now, and I will have groups of you. Okay, I will have groups of you. Every group will discuss an action that happened in the past and will write some essay about these actions with the simple past. After finishing writing, we will discuss the sentences or essays with each other and we will share some ideas. Thank you for watching.